Well, the city of Cleveland is preparing to crack down on local businesses that violate Cuyahoga County's mask mandate. City leaders will consider an emergency measure tomorrow morning that could cost violators thousands of dollars in fines, even their liquor license. Our 5 on Your Side investigator Joe Paganakis learned some think this measure will help Cleveland avoid another shutdown while also saving lives.
Good evening, Rob. Some businesses on the county list of violators have more than a dozen complaints called into the Board of Health. Cleveland City Council says it has no choice but to try and impose its own set of mask compliance fines and penalties to stop the serious spike in COVID-19 cases.
We're really going after some of the bars and establishments.
Cleveland City Council is looking to approve emergency legislation during a special meeting Wednesday, imposing a $25 fine for a first violation for individuals not following the state mask mandate while in public. The fine's much tougher for businesses that ignore an initial warning call, a $3,000 fine for the first offense, a $5,000 fine for the second offense, and the suspension of the business's liquor license after a third offense.
Because we don't want to close businesses. We don't want to have to go through that round of what we did 3 or 4 months ago, where we had to shut people down and say, guess what? We can't operate now.
Joe, people are dying. People are losing their lives.
Cleveland Health Committee Chairman Blaine Griffin says the emergency legislation would also protect citizens from state penalties.
Second-degree misdemeanor, $750 fine, and up to 90 days in jail. We don't want that. We don't want to try to create another way to criminalize more people.
The fact that people picked up the phone to call tells me there's a whole lot of people that care about this.
Council President Kevin Kelly says the city would also join the county in urging people to report mask violations.
Department of Health is going to set up a system of taking complaints and dispatching, a worker to open up a case.
And Councilman Brancatelli says the emergency mask mandate legislation is also an attempt to preserve the start of the Cleveland schools this fall. He's concerned if mask wearing and COVID-19 numbers don't improve soon, it could impact or delay the upcoming school year. I'm 5 on Your Side investigator Joe Paganakis.